Welcome to an overview of Coaching to Wow, using the voice of the customer to develop top talent and develop the bottom line. There has never been a greater opportunity to build talent as well as the bottom line, using coaching in congruence with the voice of the customer. Today, organizations have voice of the customer programs, customer satisfaction surveys, net promoter scores that really drive strong data. Yet, the question remains, what do we do with that data? At Progress Coaching, we have developed a mapping methodology that takes that data, that develops targeted coaching programs and strategies to build a greater customer experience. Now, research shows that this is the most exciting business opportunity today. With everything going on, the customer experience outweighs everything else in terms of what the customer wants from their providers. In addition, it shows the Walker study by 2020, the customer experience will overtake price and product as the key brand differentiators. 86% of buyers will pay far more for a better customer experience. In addition, 2/3 of companies now compete primarily on the basis of customer experience. That is up 36% since 2010. According to Gartner's research, companies that successfully implement customer experience projects begin by focusing on how they collect and analyze the customer feedback. With that being said, how do we go about taking that data and converting it into targeted coaching conversations and strategies? 72% of customers will share a positive experience with 6 or more people. Yet on the other hand, if they are not happy, 13% of them will share it with 15 or even more people. The funny thing is, only 1 in 26 unhappy customers will even complain. So how do we know if they're happy, and how do we know if we're really delivering what we need to? At Customer Thermometer, they revealed that 54% of customers have higher expectations for customer service today compared to just 1 year ago. The Gartner organization predicts that 89% of businesses are expected to compete mainly on customer experience. Gartner also reported that by 2019, more than 50% of organizations will redirect their investment to customer experience innovations. Worldwide, 67% of people believe that customer service as a whole is improving. This is a competitive element of the marketplace. So the next steps are, if you want to learn how we go about taking the voice of the customer, net promoter scores, customer satisfaction surveys, and convert using that data into targeted coaching strategies with our proprietary mapping strategy, give us a call or contact us or schedule some time. This process is something that you've never seen before. We literally can take that data and convert it down to the exact type of question, activity, learning project that will drive the customer experience.